smart like you graduated college, like you went to Yale, but you probably went to Howard knowing you. Weekend in Miami trying to study by the pool. Couple things do, but you always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away and you always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. Used to niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight for your right. Cause you don't love them boys. Pussy run they think, fuck that no.
Hey lovies, today I'm going to be recreating Aaliyah Jade's rainbow makeup look. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that now. As always, we're going to start off by concealing our eyes and then setting it with a powder. Using my Beauty Treats 88 palette, I'm going into that lavender shade, and I'm going to take a little bit using my BH12 brush, and I'm going to dust that all over my crease. Tapping into that dark purple from out of my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to put that right into my crease, right below the lavender shade. If you watch my videos, you know I normally don't use tape, but I used tape today because Aaliyah did. Now I'm going into that royal blue shade, and I'm popping that right in the crease, right on top of the dark purple. I'm going into this violet pink shade. I'm going to put that right under the blue and the purple. Using whatever's left on my BH12 brush, I'm going to blend all this together. Taking my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade Deep, I'm going to cut my crease. Using my flat top brush, I'm going to pack that onto my lid until the color shows. Now I'm going into this lime green, and I'm going to pack that right on that empty space that I left. Going back into that royal blue, we're going to darken our crease. I started off using a flat top brush, and then I went and blended it out. Now it's time to draw our wing. I suggest using tape if you're a beginner to draw your wing. That's the best way I know how to explain it to you guys. It's difficult. I still struggle with it. So I'm not like a pro at drawing a wing. Sometimes one be bigger than the other. Moving on, I'm taking my NYX glitter primer in this holographic glitter, and I'm going to apply a little bit right on the center of my wing. Taking a little bit of the Milani Tantastic highlighter, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Before I go in and put on my lashes, I'm going to put on Lash Blast Volume by CoverGirl. Moving on to the face, we'll come back to the eyes later. I'm using the Avon Skin So Soft Moisturizer. On my face today, I'm using the Maybelline Illuminator Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing two Black Radiance foundations, Cocoa and Brownie. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, I'm going to conceal my bags. Once I've applied my concealer, I'm using a disposable sponge to blend everything in. Using the same sponge, I just dabbed into my Black Radiance contour and highlight palette, but the cream kind, and I'm going to cream contour my face before I set it with powder. To set my concealer, I am using the Airspun Translucent Powder. I recommend this powder for anyone who is a beginner or just looking for inexpensive powder. It is bomb. When I say bomb, bomb. Not only is this powder bomb, but it is below $8, and you can find it at your local beauty supply store or your local CVS or pharmacy store. Now I'm going into my powder Black Radiance kit, and I'm going to set my contour. Using the sculpting shade, aka the light brown shade, I'm going to dust this powder off. Going into my e.l.f. blush, I'm taking the darkest shade and I'm just applying that to my cheekbones. Back into the eyes, I'm going to take that hot pink shade and put it on the corner of my under eye. Then I'm going to go into an orange shade. I'm going to put that in the middle of my under eye. And then I'm going to go into yellow and I'm going to put that right under my eye in the front. Using my NYX glitter primer and this yellow goldish glitter, I'm going to apply that right on top of the yellow shadow. So if you're familiar with Aaliyah J, you know she always does the cat eye, and I'm not really good at doing the cat eye, so I don't do it often. But since this video is a recreation of her look, I did the cat eye using my e.l.f. eyeliner, and then I put on mascara to my bottom lashes, and now I'm using the same Maybelline, no actually it's Milani highlighter to highlight the rest of my face. I obviously started feeling myself. Using a brown lip liner, I'm lining my lips, and then I'm going to apply Shine Shot Gloss by Maybelline. So I wanted to do like the glossy glitter lips, so I took my pink holographic glitter and I mixed it in with the Shine Shot Gloss, and yeah, it came out popping. I'll insert a close-up picture. Thank you for watching my Aaliyah J recreation video. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe.
Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the god. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros.